Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, November 28th, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Dow had a wild day today, gained 255 points. It is just probably, within one good day of hitting 24,000. This is pretty extraordinary. It gapped up. You can see where it gapped up this morning, and then it really screamed here. And then we had this big spike down here, followed by a recovery, new highs, and closing very close to the high. And again, up 255 points. That's quite a rally. What caused this spike? I was watching the news. I'm not sure. Chuck and Nancy wouldn't meet with Donald Trump this morning. That might have caused that. And there was also an announcement that North Korea had fired another missile. That might have made the markets nervous, but it sure didn't last. So I call this a bull spike. As I say, I would say we're within a day or two of hitting 24,000 on the Dow. Now, for a day that the Dow gains 255 points, we really didn't do so good. We ended up closing out about $1,500 negative in what we had. We didn't have much. We were negative 1,900 or so coming in, so we slightly improved on that, but not what you would have expected given this big gap up. And we got into 9 new positions, 6 positive, 3 negative, and we are carrying 2,400 positive going into tomorrow. I don't know. We ought to be doing better than that when we have this huge market rally. I'll be looking at that tonight, trying to figure out what's going on. We're doing well, but we're just not doing as well as we should. I'm going to start looking at the portfolio, even though this has been a very good portfolio. I'm going to be looking at it again. Maybe there's something else going on in the market, and we're not in those positions. We'll just have to see. Okay, I'll show you a few individual trades. I'll show you the bad one first. This was the fly in the ointment to this morning. It was BITA, which has been an excellent stock for us, but we didn't have a good trade today. Yesterday we bought this on a gap, and that gap was about the high. It closed against us yesterday and then really down today. We got out there. That cost us $2,700, but boy, I'm glad we got out. Look at the sell-off today. Anyway, that's why we have stops. That's why we don't hang on to things. I had somebody on StockTwits ask me, why do I get out at a loss? And, that's not to disparage that particular person, but that's the beginner's big reason for losing money in the stock market is they won't get out of losses. They'll hang on thinking that they're going to go to a win, and then they just get to become huge losses. And this thing with BITA is a good illustration of that. We would not want to have hung on to BITA today. Okay, let's look at a good one. This is, excuse me, this is HMNY, Helios and Matheson Analytics, Inc. This is a very volatile stock, and we bought this midday yesterday, and we got out here pretty close to the top, and that was a big one. We made $3,600 in HMNY. Then we have another one. This is, I haven't shown this much, or we just haven't traded it much. But this is FAS, which is Direction Daily Financial Bull 3X. Okay? And we bought this midday today, and it just kept going and closed there near its high. We're up $1,700 in Direction Daily Financial Bull 3X. Okay? Good one. Good trade. Anyway, that's the way it went today. Let's hope things go better tomorrow. Maybe we're going to see the big number in the Dow tomorrow. We'll wait and see. Anyway, I'll be back here tomorrow on Wednesday.